chasing you. The llamas need a pen. Let's build it. Drag the parts from the side panel to build a pen. Keep it up. Don't stop. Ready. The llamas on the farm got very hungry. Let's feed them. Drag the food to the animals to feed them. Amazing! Don't stop. Ready. Our llamas have beautiful thick wool. It is very hot for them to carry it. Let's cut it off and gather it up. Hooray! Amazing! Ready. Let's process the wool and make toys out of it. First, you need to comb the trash out of the wool. Drag the lumps out of the basket and run the comb through the wool to comb it out. Well done! Now let's wash the wool. Drag the lumps first into a basin with soap and then into a basin with clean water. Drag the washed wool into the clean wool basket. You're doing really great. Now we need to dry the wool. Drag the wool from the basket onto the table and run a hairdryer over it to dry it. You're doing really great. Don't stop. Let's dye the wool. Drag the wool into the bucket with the necessary dye and then into the basket. Great! Now we can assemble a toy. Drag the dyed wool to its place. Hooray! Don't stop! Hooray! Done! don't have enough space in the aquarium. Drag the fish from the aquarium to the pond to release them. That's all. The fish swam a lot and got hungry. Let's feed them. Drag the food from the sack into the pond to feed the fish. That's all. The pond at the farm got dirty and the fish are not comfortable in it. Let's clean it up. First, we need to get all of the fish out of the pond. Drag the net onto the fish to move them to the aquarium. Now we need to pump the water out of the pond. Tap on the pedal of the pump to pump out the water. Now we need to remove all the trash from the bottom. Drag the trash into the trash bin. Well done! Let's fill our pond with fresh water. Tap on the pump to pump the water. That's all. Pigeons are hungry. Drag the seeds from the sack to the feeder and the water to the water trough to feed them. You're doing really great. There are carrier pigeons on our farm. Now drag the pigeon with a mailing tube onto the perch. Drag the elements from the side menu to write and send a letter. Keep up the good work. Keep it up. The pigeons need more space in our farm. Drag the parts from the side menu to make new cages for them. Keep it up. You're doing really great. Done! Got playful and opened the cage, and the pigeons flew away. Drag the pigeons back to their cage. You're doing really great. Amazing! Ready. The ostriches are hungry. Drag food and water to the feeders, and then pick off ostrich feathers and eggs. Don't stop. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Our ostrich chicks are about to hatch. Tap on the buttons to adjust humidity and temperature in the incubator. You're doing really great. Tap on the shell to help little ostriches hatch. Ready. We collected a lot of feathers. Let's make a nice decoration out of them. Drag the feathers to the right places to assemble the decoration. Let's paint our decoration. Tap on the color to select it. And now tap on the feather you want to paint. Amazing! Keep it up. That's all. Meet our goats. Let's feed them. Drag the food they want from the baskets. Keep it up. Ready. Our clover needs constant care. Let's wash Clover's udder. Drag the cloth along the udder to wash it. The goat is fed and ready to give milk. Tap on the udder to milk the goat. We need to put cream on the goat's udder to keep it from cracking. To apply cream, drag a cotton pad with it along the udder. Hooray! Clover needs her hooves trimmed to walk comfortably. Drag the knife onto the hooks to trim them. Amazing! Let's clean the goat's hair. Drag the brush along the goat to comb her. Done! The goat is tired and wants to sleep. Let's clear a place for her. Drag the rake over the dirty hay. Great! Now drag the rake over the dirty hay to get it away. Keep up the good work. Great! Now drag the clean hay onto the floor. Goats want to graze on green grass. Let's help them. Drag the goats to the green lawn. Great! Now tap on the green grass so that the goat could eat. Amazing! That's all. The rabbits on the farm are very hungry. Let's feed them. Drag the food the rabbits want onto them. Don't stop. Keep up the good work. Ready. Many little rabbits have been born on the farm. Let's build new cages for them. Drag the cage parts to their places. Keep up the good work. Hooray! The rabbits are so fidgety. They're hiding in baskets. Let's find them. Tap on the basket to find a rabbit. Hooray! Keep it up.